Hi there! In this short tutorial, we are going to learn how to send muted message on Telegram. First, I send usual message. If my friend's phone and my contact is not muted on my friend's Telegram, he will receive noisy notification at the moment. But now I will show you how to send muted message. So, write your message and right-click here on Send button and press Send without sound. Now let's send muted voice message. Hold the microphone and raise it up. Now it's recording. After that, press Pause button. And the same here. Right-click on the Send button and press on Send without sound. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!